विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपल्याला व्हेन डायग्राम न्यू पॉइंट व्हेन डायग्राम. अ व्हेन डायग्राम is diagram that shows the relationship between and among a finite collection of sets. Venn diagram represents circle, rectangle, triangles, etc. Circle, set A, B, C. सर्कलमध्ये एलिमेंट ए बी सी, ट्रायंगलमध्ये एलिमेंट 1 2 3 4 अँड रेक्टँगलमध्ये एलिमेंट्स 1 2 3 4 5. Subsets. If A and B are two sets such that every element of set B is an element of set A, then set B said to be set A. We write it as B such that A B subset of A and read as B is a subset of A. Symbol read is subset of. For example, A equal to set of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, B equal to 5 6 7. Venn diagram set A and set B. Set A मध्ये 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 आणि B set मध्ये 5 6 7. Therefore B subset of A. Every set is subset of itself. A subset of A and empty set is subset of every set. Phi subset of A. Third, if A equal to B, then A subset of B and B subset of A. Number 4, if A subset of B and B subset of A, then A equal to B. Next point, universal set. A suitably chosen non-empty set of which all the sets under considerations are the subsets of that sets is called the universal sets. The universal set is denoted by capital U. It is represented by a rectangle in Venn diagram. Next point, complement of a set. Let U be the universal set. If A is a set of the set U, then the set of elements of U which are not contained in the set A is called the complement of a set A. It is denoted by A complement and A complement la C. Read as complement of A. The complement of set A is the set A itself. A complement is equal to A. Properties of complement of a set. There is no common element in set A and A complement. 2. A subset of U and A complement subset of U. Third, the complement and universal set is an empty set. U complement is equal to phi. Number 4, the complement of an empty set is the universal set. Under consideration, phi complement is equal to U. Next point, operation on sets. Number 8, intersection of two sets. The intersection of two sets A and B is the set of common elements of set A and B. It is written as A intersection B and read as A intersection B. For example, A equal to set of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and B equal to set of 2 4 5 8. Therefore A intersection B 2 4 5. A and B set मध्ये common elements जी A intersection B. Venn diagram. A set, B set and common element 2 4 5. Properties of intersection of sets. Number 1, A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Number 2, if A subset of B, then A intersection B is equal to A. Third, if A intersection B is equal to B, then B subset of A. Fourth, A intersection B subset of A and A intersection B subset of B. 5. A intersection A complement is equal to 5. Number 6. A intersection A is equal to A. 7. A intersection 5 is equal to 5. Next point, disjoint sets. If the two sets have no common elements, then the two sets are said to be disjoint sets. For example, A equal to set of 1, 2, 3 and B equal to set of 4, 5, 6. Here A intersection B is equal to 5. Therefore, the set A and B are the disjoint sets. Next point, union of two sets. The union of two sets A and B is set which consists of all the elements of set A and all the elements of set B. It is written as A union B and as A union B. For example, A equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B equal to set of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A union B is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Properties of union of sets. Let A and B be the subsets of the universal set U. Then number 1, A union B is equal to B union A. Number 2, if A subset of B, then A union B is equal to B, and if B subset of A, then A union B is equal to A. Third, A subset of A union B and B subset of A union B. Fourth, A union A complement is equal to U. Fifth, A union A is equal to A. Sixth, A union phi is equal to A. The number of elements in a set. Next point, the number of elements in the union of sets and the intersection of sets. For example, A equal to set of 3, 5, 9, B equal to set of 5, 7, 9 is equal to 11.